Good morning, people. Today we have here 2013 Subaru Outback that we are going to replace the front and rear brakes, rotors, and the pads. All right. So the first thing, we already removed the wheel. That's simple. You gotta make sure that you jack it up, and also we have the jack stand right there. So I have it here exposed. What we're going to do first, you get a 14mm socket. I don't know whether you guys can see it, and we are going to remove these two bolts right here. I don't know if you can see it. One is here and the other one is down here, if you all can see it. All right, let's go. Turn the wheel on the other side so that it's exposed. The bolts that we are going to remove. Yeah, this is the low one. You remove this out and you put it up. Let me go get. Use the brake bar to remove those two bolts. All right, so we've loosened. I don't know whether you guys can see. We've loosened this one, this bolt right here, down here. Yeah, and the upper one. So we're gonna remove them. After removing them, we're gonna expose this caliper, so this can come just right out. Okay. Make sure you put them on the side. All right, so we exposed it. Good thing that. So this came right out. All right, so we have a new one that we bought from AutoZone. Okay, so we have the front rotor that we bought from AutoZone. We're gonna put it back right in. There you go. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this bolt just as a placeholder, so it doesn't move, something like that. So I'm gonna put back, before we put it back, we gotta clean it. Gotta clean all this. Remove the old one out. This old. Alright, so we're gonna use this brush, wire brush. Clean it. So it's all well and clean. We have the brake lubricant that we are going to put in. These are the pads that you're going to place where it's supposed to. All right. So this is cool. Hand tighten it until you can't do it anymore. And you need good gloves. These are not mechanics gloves. I ran out of gloves. I don't have any. So you have to do it evenly. Just ensure that you tighten it to the right torque. Good. Alright, so make sure you lubricate this place. don't let the grease go into the pads. So this is how you put it back. There you go. Wrong part. All right, this one goes right up in here. Push this down and right there. It's all good. All right, so what you're gonna do is put back this bad boy right here. So it moved. All right, so we're gonna put piston back in place. We have a tool here that we bought from AutoZone. It's about $60. So we're pushing the piston back into place so that we can put the caliper back. So this tool here we bought from AutoZone. I'm gonna show you the box. It's about $60 and it contains different sizes depending on the caliper you have. So you're gonna push it until it touches the wall on the other side. So just so that should. So everything you're doing, just be patient. Patience pays. All right. All right, so then we're gonna put it back in place. Make sure both of them are in place, and then bolt them first. We're gonna first of all bolt this one and bolt the one below. If you can see the up one, tilt it this way. You can wiggle it. Let's see as you bolt it in. So bolt it back in place and use the 14 millimeters. So we're going to put back the wheel. Just be careful. Very good.